back to the channel. Today I just wanted to hop on really quick and show you all of the things that we are releasing today. That's right, as of the time of this video, all of these things are now available on the website. So if you're interested in seeing what we're releasing, then just keep watching. Let's start off with the Pienk print. So the Pienk print is where I sell all of my stationery goods. So that would be pens, notebooks, paper clips, all of those sorts of things. And so the first thing that we are releasing to the Pienk print are these adorable water bottles. So these are shaped like milk cartons. This is the back. And then they have a twist off top like this. And then also this whole thing twists off like this. So I'm releasing these in 3 styles. The first one is just the plain one like this. And then I'm also releasing it in this design here that says CEO. And then also this one here that says Girl Boss. So I have them stuffed with tissue paper just so it makes it easier to see the words. So I'll have these 2, and then there is also an option to have your name put on the back if you would like. So it would be similar to this, and there are multiple fonts to choose from. So if you don't like this font, you can choose a different one. Okay, the next thing we are releasing I am really excited about, and they are these adorable tumblers. So this is a 15-ounce tumbler, and this one says, when life gives you lemons, make champagne and leave the whole world wondering how you did it. Has a little lemon over here, and then it's topped with some fake ice, a lemon, and some grapes. So these also have the option of putting your name on the back if you would like. I hope you can see that and that the light isn't washing it out too much. And then the second tumbler we're releasing is this one. And this one says, this girl runs on tacos and margaritas. I really hope that the light is not washing it out. But it has the faux ice on the top as well as a lime. And again, you can put your name on the back if you would like. And then the last one, this one is my absolute favorite. If you watched my last studio vlog, you will have seen this one already. But this one is a ice cream tumbler. This one says, kinda sweet, kinda savage. And then on the top you have your ice cream scoop, 2 cherries, some pecans, and then you have a drip all around the edge. So again, these are all available on the website right now if you are interested in taking a look. Each tumbler is going to come with a reusable clear straw, so you won't have to worry about that. But of course I couldn't stop there. So we are also releasing 7 new metal straws. So I'm going to open these up and then I'll show you the different colors that we have. Alright, here are all of the colors that we have. So we have a rainbow one like this. So as you turn it, it will reflect different colors. And then we have a blue as well. This one is gunmetal, so it's a really dark gray. It looks black, but it's a really dark gray. There is the silver. And then we have purple, the rose gold, and the gold. So with each set you will get the curved straw, the straight straw, and then you'll also get a brush cleaner and the black case that you saw when I first showed these. And then the last thing that I have to go with these straws are these straw tips. So these are to go on the tip of your straw, like that. And so it helps protect your teeth from the metal, but it also helps for people who chew their straws to have something a little bit softer. These I have, I think, in like 7 different colors, so you can choose the one that matches your tumbler or matches your straw the best. That is all I have for the Pienk print, so now let's move on to Pienk Elf. Alright, now let's jump into our releases for Pienk Elf. So for this month's release, everything that we have are wax melts. So I have some waffles, I have some cookies, donuts, and then I also have some loaves. So let's start off with the cookies because I only have one of those. And it is this sugar cookie here. I did film a YouTube video making these if you want to check that out. So you will get 2 of these cookies in each order. And then I also have these donuts. These are peppermint bark donuts. So if you like the scent of chocolate and mint, then you'll really like this one. And now let's jump into the waffles. So the first waffle that I have here is this one. And it looks like that. And this one is called Drink the Milk, and it's scented in Fruit Loops. So this one smells really good, and of course you have to drink the milk when you eat your Fruit Loops. The next one is this one. This one is apple pie. It smells just like apple pie. So you have an apple on the top there. And then the next one, this one is banana pudding. So you have a banana on the top, you have a wafer. It smells just like banana pudding. And then the last waffle that we have is this salted caramel popcorn. It smells just like hot butter. It smells like popcorn. So you have some popcorn on the top, a little caramel drizzle, and some salt as well. And then you have it layered in yellow and red, like the containers that popcorn come in sometimes. So that's it for our waffles and then our generic shapes. And now I'm going to jump into the loaves. I've had these loaves, I've been working on these loaves for over a year probably, so I'm really excited to finally be able to release them. So we'll start off with this one here. This one is apple pie. So it's going to come in a cute container like this. Then you open it. It looks like this. So you have apples on the top, you have the ice cream scoop, and this is your apple pie. So how you would use these, you would just cut it into little chunks, and then you just put as much as you need into your warmer. So this one would last you a good amount of time. It smells really good. The next loaf that I have is this one. This one is salted caramel popcorn. So let me open it up and show you what it looks like. Wow. I've taken this in and out of the container so much that the popcorn is falling off at this point. Like I said, I've had these for a year or so, so taking them in and out and all. And don't worry, everything that I've shown today are my personal ones, so no one will be getting this one that is falling apart at this point. But so you have yellow and red layers just like the waffle. Oh my gosh. And then on the top here, I'm gonna hold it like this so it doesn't all fall off. You have popcorn, you have your drizzle, you have some pecans in there, and the salt as well. All right, and then the last loaf that I have here is this one. This is banana pudding. So very similar to the banana pudding waffle that I showed a second ago. You open this one up. So this one looks like this. So it's brown at the bottom. It has chunks of yellow, if you can see that in the bottom. And then you have your topping as well as your wafers and your bananas on the top. So that's all I have, guys. This was a really big release for me. I had a lot of things to make and get in order, a lot of things to add to the website, but I'm really excited to have all of these things available for you. Again, don't forget they are all available right now. If you go onto the website, you'll be able to pick up any of these items. Again, you can customize any of the water bottles or the tumblers with your name if you would like to. And I really hope you enjoy. Let me know what you like. Let me know which one is your favorite or anything that you plan on picking up. And until the next one, I'll talk to you later. Bye.